Nigeria is set to generate over 65 million tons of solid and liquid waste annually, which could be recycled and converted as a source of energy and byproduct for industrial and domestic use. It is also estimated to save the country about 59 million barrels of oil annually, as well as create thousands of jobs for the unemployed.
We see opportunities where you can actually recycle old paper into new paper, into tissue paper, into things like that. You can recycle old PET bottles into t-shirts. You can recycle it into fiber. You can recycle it into egg cutters, into rope. You can recycle waste into energy. Sweden, for example, actually imports waste because they use it to generate electricity. You know, we can recycle. We're talking about limited resources right now, where we don't even have enough of oil, enough around in the world, and so we need to start kind of recycling what we currently have instead of trying to get new resources. One of the things that the country and even individuals need to start doing, business people would need to start doing, is to incentivize individuals to actually recycle.
The amount of waste generated on a daily basis in the federal capital city, Abuja, as well as its environmental and health hazard, cannot be overemphasized. On the other hand, the utilization of these waste materials could be a source of wealth to individuals and the nation. Although there are a few recycling companies in the country, however, the business of recycling is mostly left in the hands of local scavengers who make a living out of debt.
For us, waste is very useful. We recycle and make living out of it.
This waste sorting, or let me say resource recovery, is one of the key components of integrated solid waste management, because if we are able to implement the waste separation at source, it will reduce the quantity of waste that is coming to the dump site. Apart from that one, it will also increase the lifespan of the dump site itself. Also, there are a lot of unemployment, so this kind of waste collection a lot of people can be engaged in selling them, and it will be a source of revenue for the department or the board.
Meanwhile, the Abuja Environmental Protection Board says individuals and organizations need to develop the habit of recycling, as it is collaborating with a foreign company to establish a recycling plant in the FCT, which is expected to create jobs and generate revenue for the territory.
Waste is no waste, because waste is waste to wealth and waste to other reusable materials. Inside this waste, all those things are reusable. So reusable materials, because if you go to these industrialized countries, most of them take this waste and then convert them to another usable material. So we shouldn't just be throwing away valuables and wealth that is not seen, that people don't even realize. In trying to do recycling and then sorting, you have to get some people to be engaged, to be involved in doing this. It will create job for some people. The issue of waste and waste management is a collaborative thing that we need to do together.
All stakeholders involved in the issue of environmental management will actually facilitate smooth environmental waste management. That is why the government itself came up with this issue in partnership with JICA, that is the Japan International company, for waste management that has benefit for both the government and the residents.
With a good waste management technique like recycling, health hazard caused by indiscriminate disposal of waste will be minimized and converted to wealth. In Abuja, Salwa Khalil Ibrahim, NTA News.